Changing your Lexus key fob battery is a simple DIY task. Most Lexus fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 or CR2025 coin cell battery. First, identify the seam on your fob, usually on the sides or back. Gently pry it open using a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Pop out the old battery, noting its orientation with the plus side up or down. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the case back together and test the fob to ensure it works. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and costs under $5. Remember to dispose of the old battery at a recycling center due to hazardous materials. Always use the correct battery type to prevent short circuits. OEM batteries are recommended to avoid warranty issues. A common mistake is cracking the fob's plastic during prying, leading to costly replacements. Some Lexus models, particularly hybrids like the ES Hybrid, may experience faster battery drain. Trends include a shift toward rechargeable coin cell batteries to reduce e-waste. Future fobs may use energy harvesting tech, reducing maintenance needs. Stay updated with Lexus software for potential over-the-air battery monitoring.